Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 30th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Saturday, January 28th, 2023. There are no more than three puzzles left. In the Sunday additional, we have a Letter Sudoku and the 2 stars and the tectonic left. And in the Saturday puzzle page, we have 2 puzzles left. The Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, it should be a 1 star because we have here 30 printed digits, so it's not the 4 stars. And we have a binary 10 by 10 left. Alright, so first, total of 5 extra puzzles. Yeah, total of 5 extra puzzles. And the puzzle I will start is the Letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 5877. Yeah, 5877. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, not digits, but letters. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed letters. And those letters that I can use are unique letters. The letters are the P, the I, the Y, the M, the E, the L, the D, the A, and the O. And the goal is to solve this word in the middle column. It's a Dutch word. If I've solved the puzzle, I will translate this word for you. Okay, so let's get started. 4 missing letters in the middle column. One of the missing letter is the O. Well, we have an O in this row, so no O there. Here no in this row, so no O there. Here no in the second row, so no O there. So the only place left for the O should be there. Wait, O in this row, O in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the O should be there. Oh, okay. Then. O in the first row, O in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in the second column, no O there. O should be there. Oh. Cannot continue with O now. Need to wait. 4 missing letters in the last row. One of the missing letters is the D. We have a D in this big square, so no D in these 2 boxes. So the D in the last row, it could be here, could be there. Here we have a D in the third column, so no D there, so the only place left for the D should be there. D in the third column, D in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the D should be there. D, okay. Then, let me see, E, 3 missing letters in this last row. One of the missing letter is the letter Y. We have a Y here in this big square, so no Y in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the Y in the last row should be there. Then, okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the Y. We have a Y now in the third column, so no Y in these 2 boxes. We have a Y in this row, so no Y in that box. So 1 box left for the Y should be there. Y, okay. Y. Cannot continue with the Y now. Need to wait. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the P. We have a P in the last column, so no P in these two. Third column. We have a P in the third column, so no P in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the P in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. The O is missing and the M is missing. O and M, O and M. We have an M in this row. No M there. M should be there. And O goes there. So we have O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column 3, the column next. The only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this row. No O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter O. Okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is D. We have a D in this column, so no D in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the D in this big square. Should be there. So we have a D in this column, D in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the D should be here or there. We see a D in this row. No D there. D should be there. Yeah. D. Need to wait for the D. 1 box left in this third column for the letter I is missing. Yeah, the I is missing. So we have an I in this last row. I in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the I should be there. P and L. Okay. P and L, A and you need to wait. L, E and D is missing. D, okay. D. And, yeah, 3 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are E is missing, the L is missing, and the D is missing. E, L, D. E-L-D, and look, we have an E and a D in this row, so no E and D in this box. The E and the D goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, E and D, yeah. So 1 letter is missing in this last column for letter L. Right. So we have an L in this row, L in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the L should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter E is missing. E, yeah, the E is missing. E. Alright. That means I've marked those 2 boxes with E and D. We have an E in this big square, so no E there. E should be here. And the D goes there. So we have a D in this row, first row, D in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for D should be there. And all the D's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter D. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters A is missing and the E is missing. A and E, A and E. We have an E in this row. No E there. E should be here. And the A goes there. Same letters in this. Oh, no. Oh, we need an L here. Need an L. L and the P. Need a P. We have a P in the first row, P in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the P should be there. P, yeah. P. L. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters in this big square is the letter L. We have a L in the first column, so no L in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L. Should be there. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We have a L in this row, so no L in these 3 boxes. And L in this column, no L in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L in this big square. Should be there. So 2 missing letters now in the middle column. For letters A is missing and the L is missing. We have a L in this big square, so no L there. L should be here and A goes there. We have the solution. In Dutch, it's Olympiade. Olympiade. In English, Olympiad. Olympiad, yeah. Olympic, Olympiad. Yeah, Olympiad. Alright, let me continue. In 10 minutes, I've solved this. Alright, let me continue. P and need 2 letters here. Alright. Well, we have an E in the last column, E in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this row, no E there. E should be here. Then E, yeah, 3 missing letters in the third row. One of the missing letters in the third row is the letter E. Well, we have an E in this big square, so no E in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the E should be there. M and let me think. And A, need an A here. Need an A. So we have A in this row, A in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the A should be there. A in the last column, A in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see an A in this row. No A there. A should be there. A. Okay. P and the L. P and L. Okay. P and the M. P and M. Need an M. Let me think. Come on. But E, yeah. E in the third row, E in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. And all the E's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter E. Right. P, I, need an I. Need an M, and need a A in this column, A in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the A should be there. 2 missing letters in the second column. Those missing letters are the A is missing, and the letter M is missing. We have a A in the second row, so no A there. A should be here, and the M goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. M is missing and the I is missing. M and I. We have an M in the second row, no M there. M should be here and the I goes and there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing and a Y is missing. I and a Y. We have an I in the second row, no I there. I should be here and a Y should be there. Then. Let me see the M and the P. Yeah. One letter is missing in this column. For the letter I is missing. Oh, no. We have an I here. E. Come on. The L. No. L we have here. The M is missing. M. Yes. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. M is missing and a P is missing. M and a P. We have an M in this row. No M there. M should be here and a P goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. P is missing and Y is missing. P and Y. We have a Y in this row. No Y there. Y should be here and a P goes there. 1 letter is missing in the middle row for the letter Y. 2 missing letters in this big square. Wait. Need a P and I. Need an I. And 2 missing letters in the third row for letters. I is missing and the M is missing. M. Yeah. I. Yes. I and the M are missing. We have an M in this column, no M there. M should be here and an I goes there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing and a P is missing. I and a P. We have an I in this column, no I there. I should be here and a P goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. P is missing and the letter L is missing. P and L, we have a P in this column, no P there. P should be here and the L goes there. Final 2 letters in this big square for letters. L is missing and the letter L and the Y. L and the Y, we have a Y in this column, no Y there. Y should be here and the L goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I've solved this in 16 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 4 puzzles. No? 4 puzzles. There are 4 puzzles left. Until then, bye-bye for now.